Sup, funnel hackers? Also, hi mom, I know you're in the audience. People always want to know how design hacking came to be, and the story is actually quite simple. I started a funnel agency. I was getting inconsistent results. I learned that design played a huge role in conversions. I realized that there are really only 6 steps that you have to take to design for conversions. And bada bing, bada boom! The 6-step science of design hacking was born. Good story, true story, but incomplete. Because you see, I never really cared to figure out anything when it came to design. What I was trying to figure out was if it was possible for me to be a mother and an entrepreneur. If it was possible to have significant impact inside and simultaneously outside of my home. Here's why. It was early 2016. One weekend, I went to my friend's wedding reception and I lock eyes with a guy from across the room. It was a love at first sight situation. For months, we were inseparable. Then one day, he dropped this on me. Catherine, I doubt your ability to mother because of your business aspirations. Now, you have to understand that I have always wanted to be a mom just like my mom. So not only was this comment a punch to the gut, but it made me question everything. Was being a parent and an entrepreneur really at odds with each other? And here's what I learned. They didn't have to be. All I had to do was figure out a model where I could have significant and simultaneous impact both inside and outside of my home. And I became determined to figure it out. Now, it was right about this time when I discovered ClickFunnels. I got .com secrets and devoured it in one sitting. I remember thinking, holy smokes, I might actually be able to do this thing. I was obsessed.
Hi Russell, I'm ClickFunneling.
I became a ClickFunnels certified partner and I started my funnel agency. But if you remember, the results I was getting were so inconsistent. Sometimes my funnels would kill it. Sometimes they would absolutely flop. But I knew that there was something to this whole funnel thing. So I set out to answer the question, how do I build funnels that are guaranteed to convert? And here's what I discovered. It only takes 0.05 seconds for a person to decide whether or not they're gonna stay or leave your site. And in that 0.05 seconds, over 94% of what they are judging is your design. Do you realize what this means? This means you might have the most incredible offer or copy in the world, but if your design sucks, you won't even be able to get your people to stay on the page long enough to see what you're even selling.
It was then that I decided that I wasn't gonna let this whole design thing get in the way of me figuring out how to build a business that could actually work. A business that would allow me to be both an entrepreneur and a mother one day.
So I went searching for funnel design instruction, but everybody kept telling me, learn Photoshop, go to coding school. But who has time for that? I knew there had to be an easier way. Then one day, I had an epiphany. What if design wasn't an art? What if it's a science? What if it's just a series of steps to take, a series of decisions to make, and a series of tools to use? And do you want to know what I discovered? When it comes to designing funnels for conversions, there are only 6 steps that you have to take. Only 6 steps, people! And let me just tell you, those 6 steps revolutionized the results of my funnels. And thus was born the 6-step science of design hacking. Design hacking was the missing link that enabled me to guarantee funnels that convert. And once I figured that out, it was game over. I had discovered the model for significant and simultaneous impact both inside and outside of the home. And after that, design hacking spread like wildfire. It produced results that looked like this. Cody Jefferson used design hacking to tweak the design of his funnel to bring in an additional $25,000, all within 24 hours. Michelle Pescosolido used design hacking to improve the opt-in rate of her funnel from 23% to 78%. Liz Benny used design hacking to tweak the design of her application funnel. Her response?
I hope you know you're gonna change the world with what you're doing, Catherine. I hope you know that.
We now have design hackers from 24 different countries, aged 9 to 69, who are building their own $10,000 per month design hacking agencies, creating lives of impact for themselves. Design hacking took my funnels from flops to fortunes. It took my business from struggling to success. And to be honest, it healed my broken heart and validated this lifestyle that I hoped was possible, and in a roundabout way, it made me not hate men and believe in love again. Welcome to the beautiful world of design hacking.